The Rocket-7 is a reusable, shoulder-launched anti-tank weapon that uses a top-stage propulsion system combining a small powder charge to fire the grenade from the tube, followed by a rocket motor that ignites once it's safely away from the operator. Here's how it works. Step 1: loading launch. The operator assembles the grenade by screwing on a booster, a powder charge, to the rear of the warhead. The grenade is inserted into the 40 macron launcher tube, which acts like a barrel to guide it. The far end of the tube flares outward to vent gases and reduce recoil. Step 2. Firing mechanism. Pulling the trigger releases a striker that detonates the booster charge. That propels the projectile out at about 115 macron per second and generates a distinctive puff of gray-blue smoke. Step 3. Rocket ignition. Once the grenade has traveled roughly 10 meters, a delay ignites the sustainer rocket motor, accelerating the munition up to nearly 295 macron per second. Step 4. Stabilization flight. Two sets of fins deploy. Large forward fins offer stability and smaller rear fins induce a slow spin. This prevents the rocket from veering off course and helps accuracy. Step 5: impact detonation. Most warheads use a piped, point-initiating, base-detonating, piezoelectric fuse, which arms in flight automatically and detonates on impact. Others include a backup self-destruct timer, around 4 seconds, in case of a miss. Heat warheads direct a focused jet of metal shaped to pierce armor tandem charges. For example, Gas-7 VR can defeat reactive armor. Key components in the munition. Booster charge, a simple propellant pack to eject the grenade safely from the tube. Sustainer rocket motor, burns after safe distance is reached. Fins and spin, aerodynamic stabilization to improve flight path. Fuse system, arms via acceleration, rotation includes impact and self-destruct options. Advantages: tactical use. Recoilless design, gases vented rearward minimize recoil, keeping the operator stable. Portable and reloadable, launcher weighs 7 macron kg and can fire various warheads repeatedly. Combat effective, widely used in warfare for its simplicity, low cost, and ruggedness. Quick recap table: stage description, load aim grenade plus booster A tube. Operator aligns with sight. Launch primer fires, booster ejects round 115 macron per second. Ignition rocket motor lights 10 macron out, sustains flight 295 macron per second. Stabilization fins deploy, spin induced. Detonation impact fuse triggers heat or self-destruct. The magic of the Rocket-7 lies in its simple yet effective two-stage launch, combining a recoilless shotgun-like exit with a rocket-driven flight to deliver powerful anti-armor ignitions.